guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Clarice and I'm so excited for this video. I've been wanting to try this like fluffy, more natural brow look for a while. I went to Sephora and I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. And I got it in the smaller size because I just want to try it to see if it works out well. I am grabbing a clean spoolie and I'm going to dip it inside this little brow freeze and then see if I can get that look. For this brow look, I am going to be using the brow freeze, a clean spoolie. I'm going to be using a spatula, like a makeup spatula, to kind of flatten my brows in, and then I'm just going to use I just have a brow pencil from the beauty supply store. It needs to be sharpened, but we'll do that later. Okay, so let's get into the brows. So here are my brows. We're very up close and personal today. They don't look all that. Sorry, hair is getting in the way. And so this is what they're looking like. You know, I got some hairs going on, nothing crazy though. So what I'm gonna do is I am just going to dip it in here. That's what they say to do. They say dip it in and then like just brush it on. Oh, wow. This is my first time using it, guys, with you on camera. And I'm not gonna wow, I'm definitely feeling that whole laminated look vibe is what it's giving right now. Wow. I'm gonna show you guys the difference from me brushing it in just from this brow to my regular brow. I hope the lighting is not too bright. Let's turn it down a little bit. So this is the brow without. And this is the brow with. Wow, you can see the difference. Oh, I feel like I got a perm on my one brow. That's actually pretty nice. Let me back up so you guys can see regular. So this is the side with, and this is the side without. That's actually pretty nice. I like it. And so I am just going to use a spatula to just press in the product so my brows don't move. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sharpen my eyebrow pencil. And now I'm just going to kind of fill it in. I'm going to try to do some brow strokes or hair strokes. And I'm just working my way like bottom out to the direction that my brows were kind of brushed in or combed in. I'm just oh my goodness, you guys. Look at my brow. It looks like I got them done. Okay, look at this brow compared to this brow. Now let me back up. Look at this side compared to this side. Oh my gosh, they look so good. Wow. I I don't know if I like the fluffy brow on me versus what I usually do, but we're gonna do like the other side and then my full face of makeup and see if I like it. This is it, no makeup, just brows. I'm not used to doing my brows this way. I'm used to doing my brows a lot slimmer, a lot less hairy, and a lot more of like a fill-in look. But I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and see see if I like it. Okay, y'all, I am back with my makeup finished and the brows are finished. They are concealed and I don't I don't know. I think it gives. I'm liking them. I'm gonna come up closer so you guys can see. But with my makeup like done, it really gives like my face more up close and personal. And I like it with the finished makeup. I went for a little bit more of like a natural look. Nothing too crazy, nothing on the eyes. I didn't even put lashes on. So it's definitely more of a simple, more natural makeup look. And the brows, they are concealed. I use concealer just kind of clean them up. And y'all, they look good. I'm not gonna lie. I am into the fluffy brow look. I definitely like it, y'all. I like it. Let me know what you guys think and if you guys want more makeup videos. This was a real life first time reaction trying this brow look. I've never tried it before, but I really wanted to. And I've been holding out because I'm like, I want to record my reaction when I try it to see if I really like it or not. But I like it. It's good and I like it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want more videos on makeup, different makeup looks, different makeup styles, definitely let me know in the comment section below and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.